Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Ife. I'm here to make this testimonial for MediPharm Solutions, and I must tell all of you that I'm extremely impressed with what Abhishek is doing. I would advise you to listen to every single thing he tells you, every single step. Don't try to be smart. Don't try to be overzealous. Just follow his steps and I believe you'll be fine. The trainings are self-explanatory. The modules are wonderful. What I advise you to do is, as much as you listen to the modules also, as Abhishek also told us, read the text, cobots or mind maps or pharmacovigilance. But I must say that I'm totally impressed. He's changed my life. With this pharmacovigilance, he was just like an angel sent from heaven. He contacted me on LinkedIn, and that is how the journey started. I brought a lot of you into this also because I believe in him, and he has actually delivered for me. I was able to nail a job within my first trial, and the rest is history. So please kindly listen to him and believe in what he tells you and follow his steps. Everything will be fine. All the best. I wish you all the best from Dr. Ife. Thank you.